Which of the following is true for a PNP BJT operating in the forward active region? So when we look at our notes, link below the like button, we want PNP, BJT, and forward active region. So looking at these notes, we are going to be about page 104. On page 104, we have all this information about our PNP in the forward active region. And we have the answers to what it is right here. So for part A, the emitter current consists primarily of holes injected from the emitter into the base. So if we look at this, we have our holes right here, and they're injected holes, and they go from our emitter side into the base right here. And that's what the emitter current primarily consists of. The emitter current consists primarily of this. Some base current flows to replace electrons, which are lost as holes diffusing across the base recombine. So looking at this one, we are still going to look at the diagram. Some base current, which is going to be this I of B right here. This I of B is going to replace the electrons, which are lost as holes, the diffusing holes, and that is across the base recombine. So across our base recombine is going to be this region. This is our base, and so that's going to happen here. So those are both correct. The base current consists primarily of electrons injected from the base into the emitter. So if we look at our base current right here, that's our IB. It's going to consist primarily of electrons injected. We have our base into emitter, and we can see that's what we have right here. We have injected electrons from base into emitter, so that's correct also. The collector current consists primarily of holes, so we look at our IC. Holes injected from the emitter into the base. And if we look, we want from the emitter into the base, we have our emitter right here. It goes into the base. The collector current consists primarily of holes injected here, and we see that we have our holes across here. And so that is going to be true as well. So that means all of these are going to be true, and that's how we would go about looking at this problem.